Headlines of the week. Kaneka inaugurates its medical device plant construction in Tomatoh, Hokkaido. Kaneka Corporation opened its Tomatoh Manufacturing Site in the Tomakomai Tobu area of Hokkaido for the purpose of portfolio transformation and business expansion and held the opening ceremony on August 26. FSITC launches first financial quantitative Japan fund powered by Qraft Technologies AI. Qraft Technologies, a leading investech company developing artificial intelligence solutions, announced that First Securities Investment Trust Co., Ltd. has newly launched the first financial quantitative Japan fund powered by Qraft's AI models. Bureau Veritas acquires ArcVera Renewables to expand its renewables sector in the Americas. Bureau Veritas, a global leader in testing, inspection, and certification services, recently announced the acquisition of ArcVera Renewables, a specialized provider of finance-grade consulting and technical services for wind, solar, and battery storage projects worldwide. Syngenta Biologicals and Provivi form strategic partnership on latest pheromone solutions. Syngenta Biologicals and Provivi recently announced a partnership to develop and commercialize the latest pheromone-based biological solutions to effectively and more safely control detrimental pests in corn and rice, crops that serve as a primary food source for 3.5 billion people globally. Nordtreat announces the appointment of Udi Kallio as the new CEO. The Finnish technology company Nordtreat strengthens its growth by appointing Udi Kallio as the new CEO. Her era at Nordtreat will start from the turn of 2024/2025. Udi Kallio has a wealth of experience in commercial and industrial management, having held several key positions at Technos Group.